Good morning, students. My name is Birbal Kumar, your maths teacher. Today we are going to do the question number 6. That is, given the linear equations 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representations of the pair so form is number 1 intersecting lines, number 2 parallel lines, and number 3 coincidence lines. Okay, so we are going to do, as we know that the for intersecting lines a1 by a2 equal to not equal to b1 by b2. For parallel lines a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, the ratio. For coincidence lines ratio a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Okay, now we are going to do the for number 1. The first questions is, the first value is given 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. This is our equation number 1. So for intersecting lines we have to take the another equation. So I can take here so I 3x 3x plus 2x minus 9 equal to 0. This is our equation number 2. If I take this equation, see here, so a1 would be what? 2, b1 is equal to 3, and c1 is our minus 8. Okay, this is given. Okay, so I have taken this one as equation, as we know that the two ratio will not meet for intersecting lines. Okay, so if I take a2 from equation number 2, it will be 3, b2 it will be 2, and c2 it will be minus 9. Okay, as you see that the two ratios doesn't mean two ratios are not equal, right? So I can write here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Okay, first we'll observe the two ratios are equal or not. Let's see if the two ratios, the a1 value is 2 and a2 value is 3, b1 value is 3 and b2 value is 2. You see the first ratio is 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, the two ratios are not equal, so we have to cross this one. Okay, so we can say the two lines, the pair of linear equations, the pair of linear equations are intersecting lines, are intersecting lines. Okay, for Roman number 2, the question is the same. We will write 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, for Roman number 2 we have what? Parallel lines. Okay, we have parallel lines. For parallel lines, what we have to see? The a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so we can take over here the line, we can take the equation 4x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, this is our equation number 1. We have taken this equation number 2. Okay, you can take any of the values, okay, but the ratio should be same. See here, a1 is 2, b1 is 3 and C1 is -8. Here A2 is 4, B2 is 6, and C2 is -9. Okay, so I can see the ratio now for A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. First you see these ratios, is it equal or not? A1 is 2 and A2 is 4, B1 is 3 and B2 is 6. If you cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are, so it will be 1 by 2, 3 ones are 3 twos, it will be 1 by 2. It means the two ratios, it means the two ratios are equal. You see, we have written this value: 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So I have written here 1 by 2 and is equal to 1 by 2. So you see the two ratios are equal. Now we will see the next third ratio, that C1 by C2 is -8 and -9. This will be cancelled. So you see over here, it is, if we compare the second ratio and third ratio, it is not equal, so we have to cross here. Okay, it means this is the, so as we know that, since, so I can write here, since A1 by A2, A1 by A2, B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. If it is this ratio is there, we have to write, therefore the pair of linear equation, therefore the pair of linear equations are parallel lines. Okay, next Roman number 3 from same question number 6, Roman number 3. Okay, for Roman number 3, the same question, the first equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, and for coincidence line, the all ratio must be equal. So I can take this one as, again you can take 2x, or you can take 4 also. Okay, 4, again I can take this one 6y, and this one I can take -16. Okay, so we have to write the ratio now. A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to 3, and C1 is equal to -8. A2 is equal to 4, B2 is equal to 6, and C2 is equal to -16. Okay, now I can write here A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. First we'll compare the two ratios is equal or not. 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So I can write here 1 by 2 equal to 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 1 by 2 means the two ratios are equal. We'll see the third ratio, the C1 by C2. It is C1 is -8, and C2 is -16. -1 will be cancelled, so I can write 8 ones are 8 twos are, so 1 by 2. See that all ratios are equal, so I can write, since A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Okay, therefore the pair of linear equations are coincidence line. Okay, okay students, I think you have understood. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.